Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn 30 common phrasal verbs about daily routine. Listen and learn with me. Wake up means stop sleeping. Imagine a woman waking up in bed with a smile. She is happy to start her day. Get up means to get out of bed. Picture a man getting up from bed in the morning. He stretches his arms and feels awake. Turn off means to stop the alarm or light. See a person turning off the alarm clock. The loud sound is gone, it is quiet now. Freshen up means to wash your face and get clean. Imagine a girl freshening up in the bathroom. She splashes cool water on her face. Wash up means to clean your face and hands. Think of a boy washing up in the sink. He scrubs his hands with soap. Brush up means to brush your teeth or hair. Visualize a girl brushing her teeth in front of a mirror. Her teeth are becoming bright and clean. Put on means to wear clothes or makeup. Picture a woman putting on makeup and clothes. She looks beautiful and ready for the day. Pick out means to choose clothes to wear. Imagine a person picking out clothes from a wardrobe. They are selecting a nice shirt and pants. Get dressed means to put on all clothes. Think of a child getting dressed for school. They put on their uniform with excitement. Makeup means to apply makeup. Visualize a young woman making up in front of a mirror. She is getting ready for a special occasion. Fix up means to tidy or prepare yourself. Picture a man fixing up his hair before leaving. He wants to look nice. Go out means to leave the house. Imagine a man going out the front door. He is ready for an adventure. Head out means to start going somewhere. Think of a woman heading out to work. She carries her bag and smiles. Drop off means to take someone somewhere, like school. Picture a parent dropping off a child at school. The child waves goodbye. Set off means to start a journey. Imagine a student setting off to school in the morning. They are excited to learn something new. Get to means to arrive at a place. Think of a worker getting to the office. They greet their coworkers. Log in means to start using a computer or app. Picture a person logging into a laptop at home. They are ready to check their email. Check out means to look at something quickly. Imagine a girl checking out her phone. She smiles at the funny video. Eat out means to have food at a restaurant. Visualize a couple eating out at a cafe. They enjoy a nice meal together. Drop by means to visit quickly. Picture a friend dropping by another friend's house. They share a laugh together. Come back means to return home. Imagine a man coming back home after work. He is happy to see his family. Take off means to remove shoes or clothes. Think of a woman taking off her shoes at home. She feels relaxed. Change into means to put on different clothes. Picture a person changing into pajamas. They get ready for bed. Lie down means to rest on a bed or sofa. Imagine a tired person lying down on a sofa. They close their eyes and relax. Doze off means to start to sleep slowly. Picture a woman dozing off while reading. The book falls from her hand. Chill out means to relax and do nothing. Imagine a girl chilling out with music and tea. She feels peaceful and happy. Look after means to take care of someone. Picture a man looking after a baby at home. He is very gentle and loving. Tidy up means to clean and organize. Think of a woman tidying up her living room. She puts everything in its place. Wind down means to relax after a busy day. Imagine a man winding down with a book in bed. He enjoys some quiet time. Turn in means to go to bed. Picture a person turning in and turning off the light. They are ready to sleep. Great job. Now you know 30 new phrasal verbs. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.